Hello friends, welcome to official YouTube channel. Top 10 science projects that blow your mind. Simple projects. Number 10, simple water level indicator. Generally, water stored in overhead tank is wasted due to overflow when the tank is full. Water level alarm using microcontrollers like AT51 and AVR are shown in previous articles. This article shows simple circuits of water level indicator with alarm. 3 circuits were shown here are simple and built using transistors, 555 timer and ULN2003 IC. First, let us build a water level alarm using simple transistors. Number 9, smart dustbin. Multipurpose smart street bin describes the scope of work of smart bins in managing the waste collection system for an entire city. The network of sensors enabled smart bins connected through the cellular network generates a large amount of data, which is further analyzed and visualized at real time to gain insights about the status of waste around the city. The scope for the future work of this system can be implemented on various places like bus stop, railway stations, etc. Number 8, sleeping control sensor. Space Tackles has a sensor set up and another sensor in the bus. If you're sleeping when driving a vehicle with these glasses, then the vehicle will stop with the magnetic sensor assistant immediately above the brake. Number 7, hydraulic device for borewell accidents. According to the Pascal's principle, when borewell was born in the tunnel, it causes the same pressure on all sides. This can save the child who lacks the borewell. Number 6. In the early days of the railways, much road traffic was horse-drawn or included livestock. It was thus necessary to provide a real barrier. Thus, crossing gates, when closed to road traffic, crossed the entire width of the road. When open, to allow road users to cross the line, and close as it was sensed. Number 5. For 2 cell phones, 2 DC motors should be placed to sound Davies. Connection to the phones should be put together at the place where it works. If you call it a missed call, the sound device will ring. The pigs flee to the sound. Use it from anywhere. Innovative railway crossing project. Crop safe from animals. Special purpose project. Number 4. How to protect data from cyber crimes. We live in an era where cybersecurity is a momentous issue. Cybercrimes are becoming the new normal nowadays. Good access control is important. The compartmentalization of user privileges can limit the extent of the encryption to just the data owned by the affected user. Number 3. Fuel for plastic. The synthetic fuels that are manufactured as a result of the process are combustible fluids bearing resemblance to petrol but aren't exactly the same. It's a simple process which requires no water and doesn't release wastewater. Neither does it pollute the air as the process happens in a vacuum. The advantage of the fuel is that it does not produce sulfur or nitrate emissions, thus ensuring safe combustion. Also, with the exception of PVC and PET plastics, all types can be put into effect for the making the fuel and does not have to be segregated for the process. Number 2. Solar-powered floor cleaner cum grass cutter. In this project, solar panel generates electricity according to sun rays fall on the solar photovoltaic cells. The photons available on the solar plate absorbs energy from the sun. Accordingly, electricity produces on the output of 120V DC power. That power is used to run the motor. Motor can clean floor as well as grass cutting, just adding blade to the motor shaft. Very simple and easy to use for all. Number 1. This is a simple walking robot that can avoid obstacles. Here is step by step. Creates these awesome tiny using spare computer parts, LEDs, and other electronic scraps. And this is used for small pipe works, pole climbing works, mainly those works are doesn't human does that will possibility of robot. It can move off-road, grass, angles, and hills also. Homemade walking robot create from scrap.